Techno update. Subscribe now.
Vivo Y55 look beautiful with unibody design wrapped in metal throughout the body. Plus the choice of gold color and antenna line decoration on the back makes it more sweet. Actually, this design feels pretty mainstream because it is similar to iPhone, HTC, or even Oppo. Although mainstream, it must be admitted the design is beautiful and make users feel at home for long holding it. In addition to the beautiful design, which makes us feel prolonged holding the screen, Vivo Y55 none other because the screen is delicious in view. The screen is made of IPS panel carrying 720p resolution that looks solid. Viewing angle screen is also very broad so that the quality is not decreased when viewed from the angle. Oh yes, to note also that the Vivo Y55 screen is supported by a protection technology. When activated, the screen temperature will decrease marked with a somewhat yellowing screen color. Eye protection is actually very suitable for use at night, especially for reading so that our eyes do not quickly exhausted. Vivo Y55 comes with Android operating system 6.0.1 Marshmallow. This OS is polished with a variety of interesting features that make it easy to use and named FunTouchOS, version 2.6. These features include Smart Motion or Gesture, Smart Multi-Screen, One-Handed, Smart Click, to Super Screenshot to create long screenshots of up to more than 10 pages. The hardware and performance sectors are also what we love about the Vivo Y55. This one brand is not stingy to give quality hardware. You will feel the performance of speeding thanks to octa-core CPU Snapdragon 430 Alloy, Adreno 505 GPU, and 2GB of RAM in it. This combination generated a score of 42,000 points on the Antutu benchmark test. Chances are you are not interested when knowing Vivo Y55 only has 8MP main camera, while the front camera with a resolution of 5MP. We thought the same. But that thought changed immediately when we tested the camera and saw the shots. Because the camera does not feel lag when shooting objects in the room with light is not abundant. In addition, the shots are also satisfactory with the color and the level of sharpness is very good. In fact, we dare say that the quality of 8MP camera Vivo Y55 is comparable with 13MP camera resolution. Conclusion: Vivo Y55 is very worthy to enter in your game list. Make a picture okay, play the game okay, make Legend 2 okay. This one smartphone is also so similar to its twin brother, Oppo A37, but with better hardware specifications. The only flaw that we feel from this smartphone is none other than minus new fingerprint sensor.